Okay, so a little video today to show you how to change this rubber button. Now, we've got some replacements. You can't buy replacement rubber buttons from Jaguar for these. So these are fitted on the XF models with keyless entry and also some of the XK models with keyless entry. And they can get a little bit tired. If it's missing, it's dead easy. Just skip to the end of the video and we'll show you. They literally just clip in. But if you've got one that's damaged and you're trying to work out how to get it out, what you've got inside is a little plastic frame around the button, and you've got these little clips here that are top and bottom. So it goes in like this. They only go in one way. They don't go in. You can see they're sort of wider than they are tall. So we've got to release those clips. Now we've played about with it, and the only way we can really finally do it, you don't really want to scratch your paintwork. We found the best way in it is to sort of dig it in here and pull it down and out. Now you will damage your rubber button, but as you're replacing it, you're not too worried. But you can see here, that's it, and you've got the button sat in behind there. The new one, they've got a slightly bigger button on the inside, these later ones. But yeah, you can see where it contacts there on the switch inside. So to put it in, they literally just push into place, like so. And you can hear that's working. So that's how to change the buttons on your XF, XK door handles.